Welcome back everyone, hope you're good today. How have you all been? Guys, it's bird room cleaning day today. We're just in our breeding cages right now. And we also have some good news, ladies and gents. If you've been watching our recent escapades of our baby budgies, they're all leaving the nest box now. Go and check back previous video guys, I'll link it down below in the description section. We had 3 baby budgies, one of which was a yellow one who left first. There was 2 left in the nest box. Another one's come out today, I'll show you in 2 seconds. We got some new kale today. And we were kindly given by one of our friends this massive bag of apples. Huge bag of apples. So, it's going to be a kale day today. It's a brand new bag. In fact, it was on offer, look. 62p, which is more expensive than normally pay. I don't know why it's more expensive, but it is. So we'll finish doing these breeding cages here. Fine, we'll get on to the aviary. But it is that day again today where we need to do lots of cleaning and lots of stuff. Big greenery, blah 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 blah. There we go, there's the old stuff. This will go in the aviary. And that needs to go in that first. But look everyone! Ta-da! Welcome to our little aviary, welcome to the wonderful world of our little birds. Now, I don't know where it's gone, okay? But down there on the left hand side there was, let's go and try and find it. Okay, there was another budgie chick. There's one of them. We still need a name. Thank you so much for the names yesterday. I think it was Matthew King. Thank you very much, Matthew, who said that we should call that little one Sinatra. So that's actually a cool name. I'll add that to them down below. If you want to go and check the description, guys, the names are down there. But he left the nest box today, and I'm pretty certain that he'll be behind either there. Yeah, there he is, look. Hey. Ta-da! And he's in again. We're going to get all this cleaned up right now. But you don't need to watch all that. But I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's fast forward 10 minutes. Okay, this is what it looks like now, and we'll fast forward 10 minutes now. Done. Ta-da! This is about as clean as it gets. I've actually took our bamboo tree outside. It hadn't been watered for a while, and whenever you water it in here, it just goes onto the floor, so that's not ideal. It could do with a mop, but for the purposes of this video, my feathered friends, then we shan't be mopping it, but it's alright. So yeah, so we put on some apple. I've also put some apple up there as well. So they've got some apple, some kale, some new seed. Nice clean bird, roomy, floory thing. So that's that all done. And that took about 15 minutes, so not long. Same with this cage, I've hoovered it all. Some greenery. We need some water in all of them, but apart from that, my friends, it's all done. Literally. You know what? I just had that. I had that new chick on my finger. Just, you know, I went to grab the phone, and there's one of them up there. Let's see. Sit there in the middle. Look, see right there. Very nice, very nice. And the other one is still behind there, but we've got some water behind there as well. Just so she can have some food and drink. And the canaries love it. So they're doing really well, they're growing really well. Sinatra's a fantastic name for the one inside the box. We'll put that down below. We'll do like a little poll. Guys, make sure you follow on Instagram and Twitter as well. It's Aviary Guru on Instagram and Twitter. Please follow over there. It'd be cool. Post pretty much daily pictures of our feathered friends on Instagram. So yeah, if you miss a video on YouTube, it'll always be posted out on Twitter. That's all the link, or I'll just post something to say that the new video's out there. So they're all good to go today, literally. Yeah, looking good, this new budgie. I'm really, really pleased. Really pleased. That's a stunning bird. Really nice looking bird, that one. It's very nice. Okay, guys, let's shut this up and let the canaries do their thing, which they do. So yeah, everyone, literally every week we give it a good hoover and a tidy. You know, excuse the attire. Got Moses lap with some Toms on and some Amish trousers. Nice. Never mind. You know, it's like the birds don't mind how fashionable I am, ladies and gents. We've also got names for those as well. We're still collecting down below, especially the green ones there. If you're new to our little mini series, make sure you check up all the past videos. It's all in a playlist down below. You can find it down below on the channel on YouTube. So adding these to a little playlist. So I think it's video number 6, I think, or 5. I think it's 6. But they're paired up really nice. We paired up not long ago, so they've been together, actually in the same cage for maybe a week and a half, and they're paired up really good, starting to fit each other. I also noticed that our yellow, right in the middle there, look, that's a chick there, that like pale yellow one. I also noticed that he's been cuddling up to the yellow one, but the yellow one's his mom. I think maybe she's just feeding him still or something. I think maybe, but very nice bird, that yellow one, guys, in the middle. Very nice indeed. I'm super chuffed with that one. So yeah, they've got a new apple. They've got some cows, some brand new seed. There's, like I say, there is a baby budgie on there, and I'll make sure, ladies and gents, that it's all healthy and stuff. I'll check, like, I'm obviously in here a lot more than I'm on video, but if I was to post my daily antics in here, it'd be boring and be hours long. So best thing you can do with birds, my friend, especially if you're going to try and get them breeding, is to literally try and leave them alone. I'm not joking. Spend as least time around them as possible, especially if you're trying to get them breeding. You're best to get in, do your jobs, clean up, tidy up, make sure everyone's happy, make sure everyone's warm and safe and all that sort of stuff. Warmth is another video. A complete another video. If you're about breeding, complete another video, literally. I'd love to keep Goldie and Finches, but here in the UK, Goldie and Finches, they need to be kept around 22, so as a baseline, but 22 degrees, oh, I mean, this is only a little shed. You couldn't keep that perfectly perfectly I don't know, suitable temperature, adequate temperature, I don't know. But that's it, man, today, guys and girls. We're not going to, I told you those canaries, look, the moment I tell them about the clever birds, you know, canaries are. Look at them, there's a budgie there as well. The moment I turn my back, look. Let's turn my back and pretend I'm not watching, okay? So I'm facing this way right now. This way, like away from them. Okay? So all venturing down. They'll wait till your back's turned. They can get scared because, I mean, I'm quite a nice bird keeper, I'd say, to be fair, but I'll handle them as nicely as I can. Got a big blue up there. Proper budgie, look at that budgie. Fluffed up. He just stands outside in the rain. It's actually really rainy here in the UK. I'll show you outside. Look. It's actually really bad weather today. It's really rainy and gloomy and not nice at all. There's some bad dogs. But out there's a little bob hole out there, so they can go and stand outside, and they're going to have a shower and that sort of stuff. Bye, dogs. Okay, ladies and gents, from me to you as always, huge love. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Be good, everybody. God bless, man. Take care. Bye, everyone. Bye, 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 bye.